guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I use all drugstore products and I show you how to get this bronze goddess summer makeup look. If you'd like to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye! So for this tutorial, I tried to keep everything as drugstore as possible. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take some micellar water. This is the Garnier micellar water that you can find at Target. Hot and round because I want to remove any excess like dirt and debris from my face. Next, I'm taking some toner. This is just the DICKINSON'S Witch Hazel that I've poured into this pump tube. Once again, you can also find this at Target. Next, I'm going to be taking the Physicians Formula Refreshment Cucumber and Bamboo Eye Depuffer. I've been loving this stuff. This stuff is great in the morning if you're very tired. It's very refreshing and it kind of like wakes you up a little bit. Anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and roll that under my eyes. Next, I'm just going to take some eye cream. I like to moisturize before I apply any primer just because I have dry skin. So I'm just taking my eye cream. I'm going to take a serum. This is just the e.l.f. Antioxidant enriched serum. Like I said, I'm trying to keep everything drugstore, so I'm using drugstore skincare products. So I'm just going to apply the serum to prep my face. Next, for moisturizer, I'm using the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I really like this. It's just very lightweight, so if your face feels a little dry or you want to prep before makeup, I would recommend using this because it's just super lightweight. So to finish up the skincare portion of this tutorial, I'm just going to spray some of the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe on my face and pounce it in with my beauty blender. The beauty blender that I'm using today is from EcoTools. You can find this at Target. While I'm letting the skincare set, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, the product that I'm going to be using is the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade, and this one is in the shade Medium Brown. It comes with the little brush. Then for brow gel, I'm just going to be using the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. Next, I'm just going to prime my eyelids to prepare them for my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Essence Color Intensifying Primer for the look today. Alright, so the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using for today's look is the Morphe 3502. I couldn't find any, like I don't own any drugstore, like CVS, Target eyeshadow palettes. I probably should have bought one for this look, but Morphe is still drugstore, so is ColourPop. So I'm sorry I don't have like a legit drugstore palette. This will have to do. You can also use any ColourPop palette if you own anything, but I'm just using the Morphe 3502. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see the eye makeup. To start off this look, I'm going to be picking up the shade Universal from the Morphe 3502 palette. That's this shade right here. And I'm going to be taking it on a Wet n Wild blending brush. I am also going to be flicking out the eyeshadow so that it kind of creates like a winged out effect. On a denser crease brush, this one is also from Wet n Wild, it's the P15 brush. I'm going to be picking up the shade Terracotta, is this shade right here. It's like a reddish brown color. And you're going to place that below the transition shade into the crease. Next, we're going to pick up the shade Rich from the palette, which is this darker brown shade right here. And then with this shade, you want to start to lightly put it on the outer V and bring it in. Next, with a flat shader brush or your fingers, I'm going to be picking up the shade Pure from the 3502, which is this gold shimmery shade right here. With the same P12 brush that we used earlier, I'm going to blend the color that's already on the brush in with the gold shimmer shade. A brown eyeliner pencil. This one is from JONTEBLU, which came in my Boxycharm. If you have not watched my Boxycharm unboxing and demo, I will go ahead and insert it up above in a card. But I'm just going to take this and line my tight line and my waterline. Alright, so next I'm going to be putting mascara on my eyelashes to prep them for falsies. I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I'm going to apply falsies. The eyelashes that I'm going to be using in this look are the Ardell DEMI Wispies. So while I'm waiting for my lash glue to get tacky, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer. This has become one of my favorites at the moment. Like, I've been using this every day because it's just so dewy and I love how it makes my skin look. So you guys, I highly recommend this if you're going for a dewy look. Next, I'm just going to take my Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflaging Concealer, and I am in the shade Fair. Next, I'm just going to take my EcoTools Beauty Blender. Next, I'm just going to set my under eye area very quickly with my Fit Me Set and Smooth powder foundation. I am in the shade Classic Ivory. For this look, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, which smells amazing. Like, if you like the smell of coconuts, you'll love this bronzer. It just smells so good. Next, for blush, I'm going to be using my Milani blush in the shade Romantic Rose. Next, for this step, I'm going to be using two highlighters because when I think bronze goddess, I think very glowy and bronze. So I'm just going to be using the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Champagne. And then over top of that, I'm going to be putting a little bit of the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. So as you can see, I literally use the tiniest bit, and I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. So I'm going to be taking a little brush, and I'm going to put the powder highlighter on my inner corners, my brow bone, my nose, and then a bigger, fluffier brush for my cheekbones. Next for lips, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the shade Bear to Comment to line my lips. And then over top of that, I'm going to be applying the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo. And then to finalize the look, I'm just going to take some of that Mario Badescu Rosewater Spray to set my makeup. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this drugstore edition Bronze Goddess summer makeup tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!